Hello and welcome to Mechanical Design Solutions Total Access Database presentation. One of the specialties MDS works on are AutoCAD Smart P&IDs. And basically we draw P&IDs using AutoCAD software with critical embedded information in them that can be extracted to populate a database system. Now, what's crucial about this is because of these smart P&IDs, the information we extract can significantly help people find the information they need by providing the very least amount and getting the max amount out of it. Now, the concept for the TAD system is pretty simple. It's to be able to any user to use it, employee, contractor, or any administration. Allow easy interface for the user. You don't need to train anyone. And the number one key here is to reduce valuable time finding drawings. We have determined that a lot of jobs come to the amount of information that you can get in a timely manner is very inefficient. So this way we have created a system where you can find anything really fast and pretty simple. Now, just to walk you through how this system works is pretty simple. Here's a simple presentation, and we'll get you through the beta. Here's the interface layout here. As you can see in the top, there's different tabs. We have a P&ID tab, line numbers, instrument, plans, inspection reports, a locate button, and an on the ground button. And we'll walk through that here. Here's the main P&ID. If you can see here, there is a place where you can type in unit, P&ID drawing number, or any keyword. There's also a search function by equipment. So let's try this out here. We're gonna just put gas plant here, and basically if you type gas plant keyword in search, it will generate a list of all drawings that have a gas plant subscript in them from our P&ID database extraction tool that we have. So as you can see, it populated, generated a list, no problem. Now also, let's say we're searching for pump 101. We have a drop down menu here. Just type P and pump 101. And as you can see, there are multiple pump 101s, but the ones we're looking for are in unit 22. And here we see a unit tab and a P&ID button. So we simply click that link, and it opens up the database. Now here's our viewer here, and here's the P&ID with pump 101 down here in the bottom right. We'll zoom in here. Okay, here you see the flag. This is your typical P&ID. Another function that the TAD software has is, because it's a quick reader, it smartly picks up all these numbers here. So we can zoom in on the flag, double click on the flag, and it will autofill the drawing number into the search. Now, because these have been drawn with smart P&IDs, these numbers are spaced accordingly and sequentially correct, and the software picks that up and determines that it's a flag number and puts it in the drawing number. This also works for line numbers and other things like instrument. So for example, all instruments follow a series of 2 alphabets and 3 digits. It will automatically know that that 5-digit number is an instrument, and it'll fill it in your instrument number. Now what this detects is it puts that flag number into the P&ID drawing number because of its sequence and does a search. And automatically, if that search provides only one drawing, it'll automatically open it for you. So basically you can tab from one drawing to the next seamlessly, very quick and easy without disengaging your search pattern. So we have another way of finding that P101. Let's say you didn't know what pump number it was, but you had a line number coming out of there, and you knew the very minimal amount of information, just the line number 147. So we go to the line numbers tab up here, and we type in 147, and we knew it was in 22 unit. So we do the same search. Boom. Generate a list. It says this line number appears on these drawings, which are RO50 and RO63. And as you can see, these are the previous drawings we opened, and the pump goes from RO63 to 50, and those are the lines it shows. Pretty simple. And this is the same thing for plans, your section views, your inspection reports. Anything you fill in any of the tabs, it will automatically fill in on the other information. So by just typing pump 101, you can find all the orthos, section views, P&ID, inspection reports, cut sheets, vendor drawings, just from that one information or that line information that you're looking for. And the same thing works for instruments also. So if you know an instrument number or a loop number, and we know how hard it is to find those and what drawings they belong to, you just type it in, boom, you get everything you really need. Now we're going to show you the location tool. This is pretty neat, especially for someone that is new to your plant or your industry, or someone from the outside, or even if you are an employee. It really helps you find things. If you know a location of something, it will help you find the information you need based on the location. So physically, if you know something is somewhere, you can get everything you need. So here's a plot plan map of a certain area, and if you just hover around, the certain sections are already segregated. So if we click, we know it's in this quadrant, so we click and it gets a zoomed in feature here, and then we know it's in this unit right here. If you can see, all these sections are divided up into their own plot sections, so we know it's in this section here. So we click and we get the plot area here with all the equipment. Now as you can see, you can zoom in and out just like any other file, find the equipment you need. We're going to zoom in here. Pretty simple, and here it is again, pump 101. We knew where it was in the field, so we kind of used like a Google Maps feature and zoomed into that area. We click on the pump, and here we go. We have all the ortho drawings in relation to it. No problem. We have all the piping information that we're searching for. So pretty much Total Access Database allows you to find everything within seconds, you know, eliminating everything, your P&IDs, your orthos, your part list, your improved drawings for your inspectors, your electrical loop stuff, and your vendor drawings. Everything you really need you will find with the very minimum information. Here I just want to go over real quickly of the underground section. It works the same way how you would locate an item, but this is for underground system. One of the major things is that a lot of places don't have updated underground drawings, so we established this system. It works the same way, and you can zoom in, and here we have different tabs here for different processes. Right now we're reviewing fire water, but we can do storm drains, underground water piping, and all that. Very, very, very neat. Definitely check us out at mds13.com. Our phone number is 302-659-0233. But right now I'll show you our beta version of this running right now, one of our locations. Pulling it up here. Okay. Here it is. It's up and running. Right here we have the 3 tabs already set up here. Line search. So let's say, for example, and this is live right now, is that you're looking for an 8-inch line, you don't know anything about it, and you know it's in 22 unit, and you know it's like a 150 spec, so it's like A spec. So we type that in, boom, we get a search result on all the lines in that are 8-inch, you know. And if you know the process, it's hydrocarbons. We type in O, we even narrow down our search even more, and it'll generate a list. Now this list, you can generate anything. We can go to all 3-inch hydrocarbons, you know, with A spec or anything like that. So you can see the benefits of this way we're searching. We can do that with instruments too. For example, right now I was searching for an FC102, and it automatically gave me the drawing, so which is pretty neat. And you click on the link, and of course you get the P&ID that FC102 does exist. So let me clear this here. So for example, if we're looking for, you're generating lifts and you need all the transmitters, boom, you get a list of all the transmitters. You can segregate by unit or a keyword. Let's say, just like we did before, you know, filter transmitters, and you will get, boom, exactly, there are 2 filter transmitters. One's 100 and one's 101 in unit 29. Pretty fast and simple, very minimal information needed to fill this. Same thing with equipment. Let's just say that P101 we talked about. Search, got it, P101. I put it in, and boom, we get the drawing. It's as simple as that. And that is it for Total Access Database. Thank you for watching, and please let us know. 302-659-0233. Thank you. Bye.